Hello everyone, welcome. So in this video I'm going to discuss how you can use this app called UZYFINE EPIN Manager to generate and print recharge cards of all networks, with your company name on the cards and all you need to start this business. So first of all, for you to start a recharge card printing business, you need a dealer. You need someone that can supply the e-pins to you. And if you're interested, I'm going to show you the cheapest dealer so far. And you start with him without any registration. So I'll show you where to get e-pins at the cheapest rate for a beginner. And then when you grow, you can even get it cheaper. So but for now, as a beginner, you can get these e-pins at a very cheap rate. MTN at about 3.2% discount. That's 100 naira recharge voucher will be sold to you at the rate of 96 naira 80 kobo. Then Airtel at the rate of 96 naira 40 kobo. Then other networks 95 naira 50 kobo. So now if you have any dealer promising you like 20 naira discount or more, or even 10 naira discount, just know that that person is a scammer. Run for your dear life. So if you grow, if you start buying from up to 1 million and above, I think the highest discount you can get is about 6 naira or thereabouts. It's even rare for you to get up to 10 naira discount, no matter how many e-pins you are buying, except if you become a super dealer. So you need a dealer, that's number one. That's where you get the e-pins. Secondly, you need a software that can convert these e-pins to printable cards. So, and that's the app I'm going to describe here. So there are so many softwares, most of them run on computer, others are online. Some can generate only A4 for desktop printing. So but this app is the best in the business. It's one of a kind because it runs on your phone and they're completely offline. None of your data except your name and your registration details, your email are saved online. Every other thing you are doing is on your phone. So with this, all this software is the best so far in the industry. So for now we have the Android version, and it can generate for both Bluetooth thermal printer and the desktop printer. So the second thing you need is actually a printer, or you can print from outside, but you have to take care of the security involved. Alright, so these are the three things you need: your phone with this app, a dealer, and then a printer, either Bluetooth printer or desktop printer, whichever one you can afford. So without much ado, let's get started. So this is the EP manager. You click on it. So if you are not registered, create an account. Enter your name. Enter your name. Then enter your email address. Something you must enter the correct email address. Then after entering your email address, click on get code. Click on get code for email verification code to be sent to you. To be sent to you immediately. So once it is sent to you, enter the code here. Then enter your phone number. And then this activation code, it says leave blank for trial. So if you are registering a free trial, leave that space blank. But if you want the app to be activated immediately, you can contact us for an activation code. So if you enter the activation code here, you enter your password and click activate. But for now, you can leave the activation code blank, enter your password, and then click free trial. So when you click free trial, it's going to register you, then you sign in. And all you need to sign in is just your password. So I'm already activated, so I don't need internet to sign in. Just I'm signed in immediately. So now we are on the dashboard. The dashboard, you can see this is not just an EPIN or a recharge card generator. It manages your EPINs and cards. So you can see here my cards, total cards I have on the database. Remember, this database is on your phone. MTN, Airtel, Glo, 9 Mobile. So first of all, let's see the settings for you to get started with this app. So click on the settings page. So the first thing you see here on the app settings is security. You can change your password. You can change your account password, and then the business name. This is the name you want to appear on your card. You can put it here. Then these are pin length settings. These pin length settings are already the default ones, the current ones for MTN, Glo, Airtel, and 9 Mobile. So in case they change it in the future, you can change the pin. Maybe in case Glo upgrades to 16 digits, you can come here and put 16. But for now, these are the current EPIN length. But if your own is more than that, you can edit. But for now, leave it that way. Then card style. You can choose to print in color, or just black and white, especially if you are using a Bluetooth thermal printer or a black and white printer. If you are not using a color printer, deselect this, remove the check mark. But if you are using a color printer, click this, because if you are printing, if your printer is not color and you print color cards, the color may not appear, the card may not show very well, because the black and white printer trying to print the color in black may be showing maybe gray, so you may not see it very well. So you deselect this if your printer is not color. Then there are other things you can manage here. How many cards you want to appear per page, how many cards per A4 page. Remember, if you are printing with your desktop, when you click print on your computer, always go to more settings and select A4. So now you can print as you have flexible A4 layout here, anyone you want. But remember, the more cards per page, the smaller the cards. Of course, you should know that. So I wrote here 64 is recommended, 64 cards per page, but you can, if you want it bigger, you can print 45 cards per page, 48, 60. Then if you want it smaller, you can print 72 cards per page, or even 80 cards per page. So you can select 80 cards per page. Then for those using Bluetooth thermal printer, the recommended size height of the card is 17.22 millimeter. But if you want it, the height, if you want the card to be bigger or smaller, you can adjust the card height. So you can choose 16 or even 18. So depending on your preference. So once you are done with these settings, click save. So the settings will be saved. So on this settings page, you can also log out, but if you log out, when you are logging in again, you need internet connection. Again, if you are on trial mode, you still need internet connection for us to verify your trial status. So alright, so in the next video, we are going to discuss how to use this app to generate the cars. Thank you for watching.